Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to download Excel data for practice. Practicing with downloaded Excel data helps you improve data entry, and you can always download it again if you messed up. And here's a step-by-step guide to download Excel data for practice from Kaggle using your Windows PC. First is to open your web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Then go to the Kaggle website. If you don't have a Kaggle account, just click the sign up and create one, or otherwise log in. Once logged in, click on datasets in the top menu. Use the search bar to type in keywords, for example, Excel practice, dataset, or sample, Excel data, then hit enter. Browse the results and click on the dataset you want to use. Review the dataset description, files, and any notes from the uploader. Click the download button, usually top right or near the dataset files. Accept any dataset rules or terms if prompted, then confirm. Wait for the zip file to download to your computer. Now open the File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder, or click on the pop-up menu to redirect you to the download location. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All to unzip it, and open the file in Microsoft Excel or import it into Google Sheets for practice. Pro tips: some datasets come in CSV format, which Excel can open easily. Use the stable internet for large datasets. Save extracted files in the dedicated practice folder for easy access.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.